In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping all albums at the bottom right corner. Then select one of your albums from which you want to delete your photos, and to pick multiple, instantly hold one and tap on Select All option at the top right corner. Now, to keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones or slide your finger across. To delete the rest, you need to click on Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!